struggle, got it off the muscle. Wanted Gucci on my buckle, so I had to hustle. Stomach growling like a lion, I was really hungry. Ain't nobody.
Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a little POV night drive. We're going to try to be getting some hard pulls and downshifts on my way to work. So let's get it with a little cold start right now. Not bad. Not bad. I'm always on empty because fucking V8. Fucking V8 live, bro. Fuck. Anyways, oh shit, my lights are off. Hold up. There you go. So currently all I have exhaust setup is just a muffler X pipe, and I'm tuned on E85. So that's all I have right now. Just basically E85 and exhaust. But yeah, let's get straight into it. Here we go. Let's start it off with some pulls. Let's do a little second gear pull. This shit echoes like a shit ton. All right, here we go. Ready? 3, little 45, 3, 2. Little 45 to 75. Not bad. Not fucking bad. Hell yeah. Fuck yeah. Fucking spin on first here, so fuck it. Here we go. Anything for you guys, right? Here we go. I should low-key pull and I did not spin. I did not fucking spin, so fuck yeah. First pull, done.